All right, so I'm Yusheng Hou, a senior in computer science. Originally, my team's gonna work on a project that works on like the atomic visualization for atomic materials. But then, since my partner quit, I switched to a different project based on developing a virtual tour for outreach purposes. So first off, I have to I take pictures that seems like in the middle there, where it's like that's a picture of the blue computer room in Blue Waters, which is kind of distorted, and I have to try to make something less like Google Street View, where you can see objects around you, and like you're in the middle of the scene. So I had to research on 3D graphics in order to find that. So the library I selected was like 3JS, which builds on top of the WebGL functionality in browsers. And I found other samples that allows me to actually wrap that image around a spherical geometry to create the views. So most of the function I had to add was building markers to navigate between rooms and then adding some audio as well. So using this, I had to develop a sort of data format for representing tours, which is basically a graph that represents each room and then how to navigate between them. So the results, so I kind of finished that result and built a small tour for the Blue Waters facilities. You can see it on the link at near the bottom left there. And so so I managed to create a prototype for this. And for future, I have to do things like expand on for different platforms, browsers. Also had to make it work on different devices as well, between PC and phones. And also try to make it so I can make sure my firmware can be able to handle larger tours with a lot of data without running into performance issues. And that's basically for my project. And next semester or next year, my professor found 2 new students who are going to continue on the atomic materials project for next year. Questions? Yeah.
So you said in the questions about whether this could be an efficient outreach strategy. How do you plan to answer that question?
That's more of my mentor's doing. It's more of his. So I was actually actually at classes during a time when he was actually doing outreach at a meeting, so I couldn't attend. And my partner, like I said, he quit, so he couldn't do much about it either. But I'm planning to make this more flexible so you can build any kind of tours by just modifying the data files.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Questions? No? All right.